15 things you can make money from selling right now. 1. Childhood toys. Your inability to let go of your old favorites could finally pay off. 2. Your old clothes. If you've got a wardrobe full of clothes you never wear, dig them out and try using some sites and apps for selling clothes online. 3. Gift cards. Gift cards are everyone's favorite didn't know what to buy you gift. But what if it involves credit from a shop you never buy from? 4. Coat hangers. Got a wardrobe filled with more hangers than clothes? Why not sell them? They won't go for much, but it's better than nothing. If you have a matching set of hangers, you can probably get around 50p online. 5. Wine corks. Wine corks are perfect for arts and crafts, which makes them a perfect thing to sell. 6. Your hair. This may not be the first thing you will think of when it comes to finding things to sell, but you can earn some serious money for your hair. 7. Unused car parking space. Got a private parking space but don't have a car? You'd be surprised how much money you can make from renting out your car parking space, and there's even more potential if you live near a city center. 8. Your body, for tests. You may be surprised to hear that you can earn around £100 per day when taking part in drug trials. Payment for these can even reach thousands of pounds, depending on the trial, of course. 9. Old loo roll. We're not even joking. All those cardboard tubes you and your flatmates have been collecting out of sheer laziness can turn into cash. 10. Advertising space on your blog. Have you got a personal blog? One of the easiest ways to make money from your website is by selling ad space. 11. Your photos. We're not talking pics of you and your mates getting drunk on the beach in Marbella. But if you have a keen eye and a creative head on your shoulders, you could make great money on your pics. You don't even need a fancy camera to produce money-making photographs either. 12. Old mobile phones. Got some old phones stuffed away in drawers that you haven't used since you upgraded? 13. Your opinion. If there's ever a way to make you feel like your opinion really matters, it's when someone offers to pay you for it. 14. Your knowledge. If you're passionate about a topic and know quite a lot about it, perhaps a subject you study at uni, why not profit from it? 15. Your services. You don't need expert skills to cash in on your services either. Apps like TaskRabbit let you earn cash for helping people do small, normally DIY-related, tasks. It's worth signing up to task apps to complete small and super easy tasks in your local area for a payout.